Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm gonna talk about how to find hidden message on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to try open your message app over here. And right now you can see I'm having only the notifications from messages like the shopping kind of thing and even some kind of related to the bank, but I don't have any kind of notifications that is from my closed one. So why this is happening? So what you need to do is over here at the top you can see we have a hamburger button. You have to click on this one over here, and right now from the unknown senders you have to change this to message over here. So right now all kind of message will be visible here. So this is what we have to do as the first one. Try doing this. So every kind of messages that you received will be shown here. And also if you go over here, you can click on the three. We have options for spam, unread, draft and all those things. If you go to the unread, as you can see, all the unread message will be appear here, and you can keep changing from this. This is what we have to do as the first and foremost step. Next step is all about what we need to do is we have to go to the settings here. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the apps. Now from here we have to search here for message app. Now from here you have to click on the message app. Now from here if you scroll it down over here you can see there is something called screen unknown senders. So try turning off this. Right, this is what we have to do. And as you can see, it hide notifications and move messages to the unknown sender list. So try turning off this and you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, you can just go back and you can just close this from here and directly go back to the general. And now from here what you need to do is click on the profile icon over here. Now go to the iCloud, and from here you have to click on see all, and from here go to the messages in cloud and make sure this is actually turned on. Right, if it has been turned off, that is the reason. So these are the things that you need to take care of when you're having a trouble with this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.